Hey everybody, it's TJ Thorne with Howdy Home Inspections. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I am doing a new construction house over here not far from Carowinds. And going around doing my inspection, and today I thought I'd talk to y'all a little bit about receptacle testers. So basically, all home inspectors, we're going to go around the house. We're going to test each of the receptacles to make sure they're hooked up right and that they don't pose any sort of electrical safety issues, which would not be good. So that's basically what this electrical tester tells us. You can see that there's 3 different lights on here. Depending on the way that the 3 lights light up, will tell you, number 1, if the receptacle's hooked up wrong, and if it is hooked up wrong, how it's hooked up wrong. So each receptacle has 3 wires going to it. There's a hot wire, a neutral wire, and an equipment ground, at least in modern construction. So if we look at a receptacle, that's what we can see. We got the circular hole, which is the equipment ground. We got the long, skinny hole, which is the neutral wire, and the fat, short hole, which is the hot wire. And so this electrical tester is going to be plugged into the outlet, and it will tell you if the neutral's hooked up to the neutral slot on the receptacle, if the hot's hooked up to the hot, and if the equipment ground's hooked up to the circular hole, and if it's not, it'll tell you based on the way that these lights light up. So let me show you how this works. Hang on. All right, so we go ahead and we plug this rascal in, and you can see that the 2 orange lights light up. That means that is hooked up properly. Move on to the next one. No safety issues there. That's a good thing. But if, for example, this center light and this red light light up, then that means that the hot wire and the neutral wire of the receptacle are hooked up opposite to each other. The neutral is hooked up where the hot should be hooked up, and vice versa. So that's no bueno. You definitely don't want that. Reverse polarity is a really dangerous thing, and we're going to be testing for that in every single receptacle in your house, and if it's there, we're going to find it. You'd never know it was there if you don't actually test for it or take the receptacle apart and look. So that's what we're doing. This thing does a lot of different deals. Well, number 1, there's only 3 wires for every receptacle, but there's a whole lot of ways that you can hook these things up wrong. So these are really important. If you don't hook them up right, man, that is no bueno. That is a bad deal. So this thing is also a GFCI tester. You can test all the GFCIs. It steals just a little bit of current from the circuit. If the current going in isn't the same as current going out, then it basically trips the breaker more or less, and prevents you from getting shocked, which is a really good thing. You have those GFCIs in your bathrooms, near your kitchen sinks, outside, just different places in your house. I guess this video is already 3 minutes, so it's already kind of boring, but that's how it works. Most people didn't know that each of the slots on your receptacle mean something different. So now you know. Yeah, at any rate, thanks for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button and like this rascal. All right, have a good weekend. Bye.